Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Future Dimensions 360. In our last tutorial, we had talked about the versioning of packages. So today we will be talking about how we can install the packages from JSON file, package.json file. So let's move ahead to our package.json file. Let me give you a little brief about package.json file. As you guys see, like I have couple of installed packages here in my in my dependencies. One of them is light, one of them is moment, one is nodemon, one is server, and one is prisma. Let me go ahead and try to delete my node folders by today, like node modules and package.json.log. I had removed those files, and now as you guys see, only package.json file available. So now I can go ahead and install the packages from my package.json file. If you want to install all your packages from package.json file, you have to call single command named as npm install. You will not specify any kind of package name. The node package managers will directly move forward towards your package.json file and installed all the declared dependencies here. Sorry. So let's move forward and figure it out how it's work, how the versioning in package.json file work. So as you guys seen, like there are three different type of dependent versioning available: minor release, major release, and patch release. So in case of this end, like this symbol available here, power symbol, it will tell your package manager like, hey package manager, install the dependency with specific major release, but minor release and patch release should be latest. So for example, if I'll talk about movement, I'll say to movement like, okay, please install movement 2.10.0. Okay, so let's move forward and hit npm install. Okay, we had, sorry, sudo npm install. As you guys see, my dependencies are installing now. So as you guys see, is like my all dependencies are installed. So let me check sudo npm list. What are the dependencies installed? This movement is 2.30.1. Although I specified 2.10.0, this power symbol told to my nodejs, hey node, keep the major release same, but for the minor release and patch release, install for me the latest one. Okay, in another scenario, if I want to install for this node mon major and minor for the moment, same I can go. I can say if I want the major release 2 and minor release 10, and then patch release install for me the latest one, I will specify the negation sign. Let's go ahead and try it out. I will say sudo npm install. I'll install the dependencies and I will go ahead and list down the dependencies. Now you can see like it's 2.10 is the same one I had specified in my package.json file, and instead of 0, my package manager has installed for me the latest patch release for this variant, it's 6. So with the help of negation, we can tell the node package manager to keep the latest patch release but the same minor and major releases. In case I want to install the exactly same package, I have to not specify any symbol. So in that scenario, it will install exactly this same package. Let me move ahead and try to install this one. Sudo npm install. Okay, if I will say 0 is not available, I'll move forward to 1. Not matching version, 1 is not available even. So if I will say like, okay, install for me 8. 8. Okay, save. not install. Let me move forward and try like 20.0, and let's see. Okay. Yeah, it's installed. So let's move ahead and try to list the dependencies. And as you guys see, like 2.20.20, exactly the same package is installed what I had right here. So you guys know about two things: this power sign, negation sign, and nothing. In case you want the overall latest release to be installed, you have to identify, not specify any kind of version. Just put the steric symbol, save, and hit the installation, and you guys can see the node package manager will install for you the latest dependency. Let's go ahead and list the dependencies, and you will see like the latest dependencies or the latest available dependency for the available package is being installed. So I think that's it. Pretty good for today's tutorial. I hope you guys understand. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.